Iceland has long been on our bucket list, and finally the time came. We made our way to Reykjavik. Our flight was from Munich and took a bit more than 3 hours. We later found out that Iceland produces a lot of tomatoes in greenhouses, and tomato-based dishes and drinks are quite popular. Even without knowing that at first, we tried the tomato juice they offered on board. Both cans exploded a bit, but we cleaned everything up, of course. But they were delicious. Definitely try some if you're flying with Icelandair. Upon arrival, the easiest way to get to the city is by the Flybus transfer. Depending on what you booked, you'll either arrive at the main bus station or switch to another bus for a hotel drop-off. Very convenient. So we came to our hotel, successfully checked in, and I just wanted to say that the organization, like the whole process, was so smooth, and the drivers, they're like extremely polite and helpful. Such a pleasant experience. By the way, there is a time difference, for example, between Central Europe and Iceland, so it's kind of bright still after so many hours. So I think we'll just go in the city center and hopefully find something to eat. And I saw that, Lord Voyager Church, I don't know how it's called, it looks like insanely similar. Probably one of the most famous places in Reykjavik is the Rainbow Street. It's a symbol of joy and support for diversity. The initiative was organized by the city of Reykjavik in cooperation with Reykjavik Pride. There are lots of dining options and such an artsy vibe in the area. The street leads up to the tallest church in Iceland. I won't embarrass myself by trying to pronounce the name. For me, it really looks like Lord Farquhar's castle, but actually the church's design was inspired by the basalt lava flows found in Iceland's landscape. So, the magnificent church is as magnificent inside, meaning it's very plain. Agreed. You can also go to the top, to the tower, and have a look of the city, but it will cost you money. What if I told you that you can see real lava in Reykjavik? It's the only live lava show in the world, and yes, it's as dramatic as it sounds. The lava show recreates a volcanic eruption by superheating real lava up to 1100 degrees Celsius. You can feel the heat in a safe environment, watch it crackle, bubble and glow, and learn about the geology behind Iceland's volcanoes. The show runs approximately 45 to 55 minutes. The lava show doesn't just display real molten lava, they also create unique products crafted from lava from the eruption of the volcano Katla. By the way, you can watch the show either in Reykjavik or in Vik. Both versions include an introduction, a video and of course real lava, but the content focus is different. In Reykjavik, the emphasis is on Iceland's Viking-era connection to volcanoes and the recent eruptions, while in Vik, the focus is on the south coast volcanic system, especially Katla. Close to Reykjavik city center, there are a few more places you should definitely visit. Annoyed Boyfriend edition. So if you are looking for some places to see in Reykjavik, it is situated quite close to the Harpa Concert Hall. You'll find that it's pretty simple but kind of awesome, and also there is like an explanation over there if you can see what it means, because it's like an art installation. Harpa is one of Reykjavik's architectural and cultural gems. If you have time, definitely go inside and take a look. The interior is just as stunning as the exterior. The glass facade is made of geometric panels inspired by Icelandic basalt crystals. By day, it reflects the sea and sky. By night, it glows with colorful LED lights. Probably my personal favorite part of this video is of course about cats. Reykjavik is famously cat-friendly. You'll see them strolling confidently down sidewalks or hanging out in cafes and shops. Some cats in Reykjavik have even become local celebrities with their own social media accounts. For example, our hotel was near the Nigul shop and I checked on Nigul every single day. Despite being the world's northernmost capital, Reykjavik has a thriving street art scene. Definitely take some time to check out the murals and painted houses at least around the city center. A relatively new experience in Reykjavik is the Volcano Express, located inside the Harpa Concert Hall. It's an immersive cinematic experience that takes you deep into Iceland's most volcanically active landscapes. And the Volcano Express, your impressions about the Volcano Express?
Shaky.
Shaky, yeah. Very good after the meal to shake everything. So I guess it's not a like must visit place in Reykjavik, but if you have some time and you're not against shaking.
Like a 5D cinema thing.
Yes. And they made the music here at Harpa apparently. So local production.
All the footage.
Yes, only real footage, no CGI. So if you're like interested or if it's raining like it is today and you have some time to spare, I guess it's just a nice thing to do, right?
Yes.
And if you're up for something totally unique in Reykjavik, check out the Phallological Museum. It's the only museum in the world dedicated to the male side of nature. You'll see over 200 specimens from almost every land and sea mammal found in Iceland. But just a heads up, the exhibits are real. I hope you enjoyed our selection of things to do in Reykjavik and that during your trip to Iceland you'll dedicate at least one day to exploring this amazing city. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.